Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a clean base mesh and clear references. You need a neutral, adult proportion base to avoid juvenile features. Import front and side images into your scene and align axes. Block primary planes, forehead, brow, cheek, jaw. Use broad brushes to establish mass quickly. Once done, reduce symmetry to check asymmetry clues and save as V1. Then switch to mid-density sculpting to start defining local anatomy. No fine pores yet. Focus on age and weight. Now you refine anatomy to read as grown-up. Lengthen jaw and chin slightly, deepen nasolabial fold, and broaden the zygomatic region to convey maturity. Work eyelids and tear troughs with thin, directional strokes, and add midface sagging where fat pads shift. Once satisfied with forms, retopologize to create efficient loops for animation and facial rigs. Make sure loops follow muscle flow. Export a normal map and a mid-detail mesh. These steps preserve your sculpt while enabling performance shading and deformation later. Finish by baking high-detail maps and painting an albedo that includes age indicators, subtle discoloration, sunspots, vascular hints, so skin reads adult at a distance. You then create blend shapes for smile, frown, squint, and test deformations under real poses. Make adjustments to loop flow where creases collapse. Once done, set up a basic rig and skin weights. If you see tearing or odd stretching, check edge loop density and weight painting first. Retopologize or smooth weights to fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.